Hey, Nikki Brown here. No matter where you are and what part of the world you are in, I hope that you are having a good day. So today we have a pot of lentils, and basically I use these red lentils and I follow the recipe on the back of the bag. So it's the lentils, coconut oil, cumin powder is what I used, cinnamon powder, turmeric powder. Well, that's the same thing as ground turmeric. I did put salt. I used a white onion, garlic. I did use ginger and pepper. I used lime juice, and I'm not going to cook it with rice. I'm actually going to make it with some spinach, and I did the cilantro. And so that's all in there. And looking all good and stuff. Oh, and by the way, the recipe calls for 2 cups of lentils. I used 1 cup of lentils, and you see the pot is a little over halfway full. So for a smaller portion, just kind of cut it in half. But that's what we're having today. It's called red lentil dal. It's the Indian version. And I'm also going to add some shawarma seasoning to it as well. I like shawarma seasoning for Indian dishes. It has some of the stuff that I already put in there, basically cinnamon, coriander, cardamom, organic garlic, and sea salt. So it's pretty much what I've already put in there. So I really don't have to add more, but if you just want to buy this seasoning instead of all the different seasoning, if you don't have all that stuff already, this is a way to get that same taste. So I just wanted to show y'all that. I hope this was helpful. Love you. Later.